Can I download and install multiple downloaders on my Roku device?
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this episode, we'll be discussing whether it's possible to download and install multiple downloaders on your Roku device. If you're curious about expanding your Roku's capabilities or looking for alternative options to enhance your streaming experience, then stay tuned as we explore this topic.
The limitations of Roku.
Roku devices are known for their user-friendly interface and extensive library of streaming channels. However, when it comes to downloading and installing applications, Roku has some limitations. Unlike other streaming platforms such as smartphones or computers, Roku doesn't have an official app store or allow users to download arbitrary applications.
The Roku Channel Store.
The primary source for applications on Roku devices is the Roku Channel Store. It offers a wide range of channels that you can add to your device, providing access to various content and services. While the Roku Channel Store contains numerous popular streaming services, it may not include some specialized downloaders or apps that you might be interested in.
Third-party alternatives.
Although Roku has its limitations, there are alternative methods to expand the functionality of your Roku device. These methods involve utilizing third-party applications that offer additional features and functionalities beyond what is available in the Roku Channel Store. Some of these third-party applications can be used as downloaders or provide access to content from external sources.
Side-loading applications.
One popular method for installing third-party applications on Roku is through a process called side-loading. Side-loading involves manually installing applications on your Roku device using developer mode or special tools. However, it's important to note that side-loading applications on Roku requires technical expertise and may void your device's warranty. Additionally, not all third-party applications are compatible with Roku, so it's essential to research and ensure compatibility before attempting to side-load any application.
Plex Media Server.
Another option for expanding the capabilities of your Roku device is by using a media server application such as Plex. Plex allows you to organize and stream your personal media collection, including movies, TV shows, photos, and more. By setting up a Plex media server on your computer or NAS, network-attached storage device, and installing the Plex channel on your Roku, you can access and stream your personal media library on your Roku device. In conclusion, while Roku devices have some limitations when it comes to downloading and installing multiple downloaders, there are alternative methods available to expand their capabilities. You can explore third-party applications through side-loading, although this requires technical knowledge and may void your warranty. Additionally, applications like Plex can enhance your streaming experience by allowing you to access and stream your personal media collection on your Roku device. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the possibilities of expanding your Roku device. If you have any further questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.